In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can find and spawn in the night boss here in Sailor Peace on Roblox. Before we do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and it lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. But first things first, you need to interact with the teleporters and teleport over to Boss Island specifically. I'm actually already here, but essentially once you're on Boss Island, go ahead and find the boss summoner, interact with it, and spawn in the night boss for 1 boss key, 100,000 money, and 175 gems. I recommend this on auto just because this boss really is super easy. He's only got about 2 million health right here, and you could just go ahead and, like hit him once and he'll go ahead and die. Well, I guess I should say she will go ahead and die, but is keep farming this guy over and over. This is by far the fastest way to go ahead and work up to that pity goal. If you go ahead and do this 24 times and then you go ahead and make your way over to maybe a harder boss, for example, you're going to 100% get that pity every single time. But that's the full process. If you guys had any questions, ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to literally every single comment down there. So if you guys have literally any questions about the game itself, whether it's this video, anything else, just ask them down there and I can help you out further. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.